Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today we're going to see the preparation of crispy baked aubergine. Let's start with the preparation. For this recipe we need one medium-sized aubergine. Cut away the top green stem part and cut into half an inch thick slices. Here I have horizontal cut circle ones and vertical cut long ones. Arrange it in a plate. Sprinkle some salt over all the slices. Once we sprinkle on one side of aubergine, turn it over and sprinkle on the other side too and rest it for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I have 3 toasted bread here. You can toast it in a toaster or on a pan. Make the slices into small pieces and put it in a blender. Blend it for about 3 seconds and we'll have perfect breadcrumbs which should be crumbly texture and it should not be fine. It's been 20 minutes now. The aubergine has sweated well and left away all its moisture out. Transfer it to a bowl and wash away all the salt. Drain away the water. Use a paper towel or a cotton cloth to remove all the water from the aubergines. Once we removed all the moisture from the aubergine, arrange it in a plate, sprinkle some salt according to your taste. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder over all the pieces. Two teaspoons of chopped garlic. I've taken about 5 cloves of garlic and chopped it. And also add some garlic salt. Add a pinch of rosemary. A pinch of oregano. And a pinch of thyme. Flip over the aubergine slices and repeat the same process for the other side as well. At last, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil all over the slices. I've taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a plate. Take a slice of aubergine and coat it with all-purpose flour on both the sides. Since we have added olive oil, all-purpose flour will surely stick on the aubergine. Dip the aubergine slice in egg wash, where I've taken 1 egg and beaten it. After dipping it in egg wash, we're going to coat it with breadcrumbs. In the same way, we're going to do this 3-step coating of aubergine, but this time with the long pieces. At the final step, after coating it with the breadcrumbs, we're going to add mozzarella cheese. And you can roll it and secure the cheese in aubergine with a toothpick. Coat all the slices with the same 3-step coating. And bake it in the oven at 400°F for about 20 minutes. So after 10 minutes you can flip it over so both the sides will become crispy. Easy and crispy baked aubergine is ready. Try this recipe and give your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.